Hey everybody, this is Jim Boyer. Got another vehicle that we're getting ready to put on the lot here. This is a 2014 Ford Taurus. It's the limited package. Very nice car. Now it's considered green, but boy, it looks black to me. I guess it's going to depend upon how the sun's hitting it. But beautiful interior on this car. Wait till I show this thing to you. But this thing's loaded. It's got a 3.5 liter V8 engine in it. Walk around, nice rims on this car. I really think that they're very attractive. Of course, that's just me. Continue to do our walk around. The body appears to be in very, very good condition on this. Nice thing with this car, it does have flex fuel capability. Show you right there. That means it happens. So let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk. Okay, there we go. Just like that, trunk's open. Tell you what, there is an incredible amount of space in here. You could actually have your family out for a picnic. There's room to spare back there. Very clean looking. So we'll continue to do our walk around on the outside. Show you the driver's side. Hey, there's a guy in there. He's looking right at me. I don't know who he is. You do have chrome on the exterior of your mirrors. They are heated. I hope that you can see the emblem, but do have heated mirrors. And I tell you what, on a day like this, you might need it. Let's take a look inside. Wow, isn't this beautiful inside? Like a cream color on the inside. Headliner appears to be in good condition. Looks very nice. Same color on your door panels. You do have the wood trim that is on this. Let's go ahead and take a look inside up front. Okay, here we are on the inside. We will hop in here in just a moment. Just want to give you a quick little look here. Just beautiful car inside. Same type of colors on your trim on your door panel here. Now, I want to point out a couple things. Of course, you do have power seats, but you also have a 2 memory position setting on your seat. So just push the button and bam, it puts the seat exactly where you want it. So let's go ahead and hop in. So here we are on the inside. You see, as soon as I open the door, get on the inside, it illuminates. Now this does have push button start. So I'm just going to depress on the brake, push the button, and bam, the Ford LCD is getting fired up. So pull away from here. Beautiful collars on the instrument gauges up here. But I'm going to show you, as of right now, the mileage on this. Let me get it around here. You can see it's 109,938 miles. So on your steering wheel, you do have controls. On the left side here is your cruise control. You've got different settings to pull different items up on your gauges. And then on the right, it does have Bluetooth capability, volume controls to operate with your smartphone. All that is on the right hand side. LCD display. It does have a backup camera on it, as I mentioned. And we scroll down a little bit, you get down to your temperature control. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I want to point this out before I get down any further. This bad boy does have heated and cooled seats. So that's really nice come wintertime. Now in summertime, now this has got a low, medium, and high setting, but in the summertime, cool your seat. So you've got the best of both worlds. You do have dual climate control, multiple little pockets here, 2 cup holders for storage, more storage, and guess what? You got it, more storage. Same thing right here. Now you do have a couple of ports down here, USB and auxiliaries. So let's take a look in back. Okay, just that quick, I'm quick as a cat. We're in the back showing you got a couple of vents right here. So that's it, ladies and gentlemen. That is the newest addition to our family here. This is 2014 Ford Taurus limited trim package, 3.5 liter V6 engine. We've got a lot of financing options available. So if you have any questions, just feel free to give us a phone call up here. So with it starting to snow a little bit more outside, I think I'm going to go inside. Hot chocolate sounds good. Have a great day. Bye.